Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox these Tarmac Works Rauh Welt Begriff premium scaled model cars. This is a Hobby 64 RWB 993 Morelow by Tarmac Works on special packaging. I bought these yesterday at Driven Aftermarket Toronto Auto Show for $50, but you can buy these online on Hobby Exclusive. I'm gonna post their website and you can pre-order there, or you can order there. You can browse all the stuff that is for sale there and they will ship it to you. So special thanks to Randy for selling me these. This is a numbered car, like has a special collector card inside, but we don't know what number it is, so let's open it. So I'm gonna show you the box first. It says Tarmac premium scaled model car. 1 HKD goes to Tarmac for good. Scale model 61:64, Hobby 64. Yeah. Underneath it says small size big heart, manufactured by Premium and Collectible Trading Co. Ltd. So it's a special licensed car, Rauh Welt Begriff RWB Porsche. So let's see what's inside. So it has a special packaging that is in a oil can. Yep. Nice packaging. It has a plastic bag and it has an oil can, a collectible oil can. There's the website if you want to visit. I don't know, this one, oh, it can be removed too. Nice. So it's good for display, or if you want to put something inside. So let's check out the car. Nice squishy foam. Yep, no more. There you are. Nice. So it's on 1/64 scale, RWB Crown Rally Morelow. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside, how it looks like. Packaging is nice, as you can see. Tarmac RWB 993. Focus. Why is it focusing? Yeah, Morelow. So let's check it out. Nice box. Actually nice buying these small scale cars because it's detailed into the bit that you will be surprised of the details. So this is the card, like collector card. This certifies that this 1:64 scale model is a limited production model and you are now part of our model car revolution. RWB 993 Morelow, chassis number T64-017-ML. The number is 23. Yay, number 23. Nice. So this is the car. Yeah, nice car. Let's open it. Let's try to open it. There's a acrylic case. RWB Morelow. Awesome. Yeah. I'm surprised about the details on it. Cool. I think I bought these in a special price because it's a auto show. It's a car show, so it's an event. So I think it's $5 less. I think on their website it sells 54.99 something Canadian dollars on Hobby Exclusive. And I'm not sure how much is the shipping cost, but you can order there and Randy will be happy to help you to ship it. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hope you guys like it because I really like this one. I'm a RWB guy, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're happy with this video, please share it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.